Markets are a little nervous about the size of the US debt, and Hong Kong hosts the listing of the year. It's Tuesday, 20th of May, and here's what you need to know. Let's start with that mega listing. The Chinese electric vehicle battery giant CATL went public in Hong Kong this morning. That sale raised $4.6 billion at a price 18.4% above the subscription price. That makes it the world's biggest listing so far this year. CATL has 38% of the world's electric vehicle battery market. The IPO also shows Hong Kong is making a recovery. Its IPO market has raised more than 7 times as much money so far in 2025 as in the whole of last year. Well, our chart of the day is the dollar. As you can see, it's losing ground again against the euro. Markets are increasingly jittery about the size of the US federal government debt after Moody's downgraded its credit rating on Friday. The US government hit its debt ceiling back in January and could run out of cash to pay its obligations by August if Congress doesn't raise the debt limit by then. Markets would usually take that in their stride, but there is growing evidence the global appetite for US Treasury bonds and the dollar is falling. Our stock of the day is Home Depot. It's the first to report earnings in a series of retailers that are particularly exposed to tariffs on China. Home Depot is likely to say that demand from professional contractors has offset ordinary consumers pulling back on expensive renovations, but watch out for any comments on whether tariffs have forced them to raise prices. And our number of the day is 3%. That's what China's benchmark lending rate was cut to this morning. It's the People's Bank of China's first rate cut since October. Most loans in China are tied to that number, so you can see policymakers are trying to encourage borrowing, but it's a fairly small cut. So China is taking a cautious approach. And that's what you need to know this morning.